Hello guys, welcome. How's your day going? You know what? I hope it's good. Okay, so this is Aadi from Aadi Academy. So this is part 8, factorizing quadratic, example for the formula. So I have my equation right here. Is there a way, do you guys think, that we can find a formula to get this into like a proper format? I can think of a formula, but can our equation fit into the formula x plus a times x minus a? With a little rearranging, this will become 1 minus 4c times 1 plus 4c. Step 1 is either solving the parentheses the normal way, or because 1 times 1 plus 1 times minus 4c, and 4c times 1 plus 4c times minus 4c. 1 times 1 is 1 plus minus 4c plus 4c plus, so let's just see something right here. Already minus 4c and 4c in my head, these two are gone. And then 4c times minus 4c is equal to minus 16c. So that would be equal to 1 minus 16c squared. Or directly use the formula and you will get an answer of 1 minus 16c squared. Thank you for watching. This is Aadi from Aadi Academy. I hope you have a great rest of your day.